of the line workers I interviewed at Bassett really revere John Bassett. A few are afraid of him. One guy actually said, "I'd die for the man."
But, you know, the wonderful thing about our factory is that people here want to work. Americans are very competitive. They're very efficient. They need the right equipment, and they really need the right leadership. If you don't believe in them, they're not going to believe in you.
Well, the reason I think that Bassett stayed open is because John Bassett put a lot of effort into keeping ahead of China, trying to stay up one step above them all the time and one step in front of them.
We bought that product, we took them apart, but at the same time we studied how can we be more efficient. We just didn't look at what they did, we looked at what we could do. One of my rules is you change and improve again, and again. That's exactly what we did.